Almost the end of 2021, and there's still no sign of the Galaxy Note series from Samsung, but we actually already have the S Pen series Pro right now. But no, it's not a seamless combo with our S21 Ultra. But I just started this YouTube channel a few months ago, and my S Pen case review for the S21 Ultra was my most watched video up to date. So we're going to throw in a little bit of retrospective here. This time around, we're going to be comparing the official S Pen case with two other cases that I've used in the past. And I'm going to show you how the official S Pen case looks after 8 months of usage. The Nilkin leather case. Out of the three, this is the slimmest and lightest, and with that, it offers the least protection against drops. You also get enough camera bump and lip on the front glass. It may be subjective, but this is probably the best looking, especially with the leather material on the back. S Pen placement is pretty good, and please do know that this case is designed to take the Note series S Pen. While it is slim, it lacks that grippy effect which will impact your usage. You will need to do some finagling with one of your fingers to get a little grip from the back part if you use it one-handed. The buttons are not the best too. It feels mushy and not that responsive. Next is the Spigen case. Some people like it, some people like me hate it, primarily because aside from the fact that it is wide, it also lacks grip. Like, this is the slipperiest case out of the three. Design is great. You get ample amount of camera bump and lip on the front glass, better than the Nilkin case. The material used here is not dirt, smudge, and fingerprint magnet. Buttons are, great as well. And finally, the official Samsung S Pen case. Same form factor and design as the Spigen one. But damn, this is a dirt, smudge, fingerprint, dust, anything will just stick into this material here. Design, well, I kind of like the Spigen better. Having an open camera lens design looks more aggressive versus this, where it is fully covered. Kind of looks neutered, to be honest. This part here is really weak. Never really put a lot of focus here like how others reviewers just hate it. But now after about 8 months, it's already sagging, as you can see. And here as well, near the buttons, it's starting to fall apart. Also, it is so difficult to, put inside of your jeans pocket. Great things about this is that the buttons are really good. It's really grippy, gives you that confidence that you will not drop this phone. Awesome drop protection as well. And so far, I find it easier to attach and detach the S Pen versus the Spigen, where you need to give it a little more force. Conclusion: if you prefer a classy design and a slimmer profile, then the Nilkin S Pen case is gonna suit you well. If you love the design of the official S Pen case but hates its dust, dirt, and smudge magnet kind of material, then you're gonna love the Spigen S Pen case. Like me, I don't really care how the case looks like. I'm more concerned about the grip and the comfort while I'm using it, because come on, you'll be using this for what, 6 to 7 hours a day. So the comfort factor for me is really important. In fact, on my review of this case, I really hated it, but once I've tried the other cases, I ended up just using this for like all the time. It's just easy. It just gives me peace of mind that I won't be dropping it, or even if I drop it, I still have ample amount of protection. Unfortunately, I don't know, we can't have it all. All of these comes at the cost of, the case longevity, like after 8 months. If you can see that, it's all it's like it's already falling apart. It's like 2021. Can't we like make the perfect case for these phones. Anyways, those are my thoughts with these cases. I hope I was able to help you with your purchasing decision. It might be a little late, but if you want an S Pen phone, there is no Note series coming yet. So you don't have any choice but to settle with the S21 Ultra. Or you can pay more and get the Galaxy Z Fold series, which is just way out of budget. So anyways, this is Ian again. I'll be seeing you on the next video.